Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. Today Amma is making raw tomato, ginger and garlic pickle. For this recipe we will need 180 grams of soaked yellow peas, 1.2 kilograms of raw tomatoes, 40 grams of red and green chillies, 450 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 80 grams of garlic and 70 grams of ginger, salt as per your preference, and 3 teaspoons of ground mustard seeds. In a preheated pan, add 450 milliliters of vegetable oil, next add 80 grams of garlic and 70 grams of ginger and let them fry for a few minutes. Then add 180 grams of soaked yellow peas, now add 40 grams of red and green chopped chillies and continue to stir. After a few minutes, add 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric powder. And then add 1.2 kilograms of raw tomatoes and stir it into the mix. Allow the tomatoes to boil and fry. Once they are soft, add salt as per your preference. And at the very end, add 3 teaspoons of ground mustard seed. Amma also added some extra salt. Shortly after, turn off the heat and allow the pickle to cool down. Then store away in a container. For the last step, you will need to place your container in an area where there is sunlight, for example by the windowsill. Leave it there for about a week so the ingredients can ferment. This will make it more sour in flavour. Then you can consume. Lastly, thank you for watching today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!